Hello friends, now I am going to show you single phase motor connection with pressure switch. This is the pressure switch. You can see here pressure switch model Vika PSM 530. Also you can see the internal wiring diagram of pressure switch. 1, 2, 3. 2 is common, 1 is normally closed, 3 is normally open with respect to terminal 2. You will see here same terminals. Number 2 means common, terminal 1 means normally closed, terminal 3 normally open. Now I am going to show you how to make wiring. This is the incoming power supply cable. This is phase, neutral, this is ground. Before connecting, I would like to show you internal wiring diagram of motor. You can see there, this is the internal wiring diagram of motor. L, N. L is phase, N is neutral. L is connected to Z1 terminal, N is connected to V1 terminal. These terminals you will find in motor terminal box with same indications like Z1, U1, V1, W1. You will see all this in motor terminal box. So as I said before, this is neutral wire has connected to V1. You can see here, this is the V1. Sorry, I cannot show you very clearly, but you will see in motor terminal box. This is phase. Instead of giving phase directly to Z1, I am going to control through pressure switch. So I have connected a phase to one connector. Output of phase is connector is connected to common of pressure switch. Normally close contact has been connected to Z1 terminal. Now you can see this is neutral and this is phase, but phase is controlling through pressure switch. You can see here incoming supply ground wire has been connected to ground terminal as well as pressure switch ground wire. This is the pressure switch ground terminal. You can use this terminal and connect this ground wire, and both incoming supply ground wire plus pressure switch ground wire you can connect it to ground terminal. You will see there ground symbol also. Please make sure while connecting. Now you have phase wire, neutral and ground. Phase is controlling through pressure switch. Based on the pressure switch settings, okay, pressure switch will give command close contact, open contact. If it is closed means pump will work, if it is open means pump will stop.